Welcome. In this quick guide, I will show you how to make Facebook videos start at a lower volume on your PC. If you have ever been surprised by loud videos while scrolling, this small setting change can make your browsing much more comfortable. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile photo there. Click on it to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options where you can manage different parts of your account. Now click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control everything from privacy to notifications and more. Once you are in the settings area, look for the Media section. It is usually listed on the left-hand side. Click on Media to open the video and sound-related options. Here is the key step. Find the option labeled Video Default Volume. You will see a setting next to it. Change this option to Quiet. This ensures that videos will start at a lower volume by default, instead of blasting sound right away. That's it. From now on, videos on Facebook will play more softly when they begin, giving you a smoother and less disruptive experience while scrolling. This is especially useful if you are browsing in a quiet place or simply prefer more control over your audio levels. Try it out and see the difference the next time you watch videos on Facebook.